Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? Okay, so apologize for the last week live session. We try to log in, okay, but yeah, still not able lah. So we have to end the session earlier. Okay, so please help us to click the like, okay, click like and also share this video lah. Okay, so we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, today is 18. Okay, so hello, 左先生 AZRB, Carex PPHB, Cresdo, Bobby Bank, TH Plantation, Alsa Week. Okay, Hex Industry, bought at 455. Hello, Jordan. Okay, HSI 9988. Okay, Anthony, hello. CTOS, PPHB, PBA. Okay, hello, Kelvin. Okay, PPJet, no problem. 3 Run from Ryan, alright. Okay, so please help us to click like so we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, and today content. Okay, today agenda lah. Okay, let's go through the market outlook first. Okay, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBMK LCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, so disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or are just for education purposes. Okay, so please help us, okay, we need your like and also your share lah, okay, so we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, hello, Mr. Lim. Oh, review. Okay, EcoWest and GoHub. Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, so, okay, let's start with the Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones last week they closed bearish lah, of course. Okay, so after a good pull up, okay, they have a rejection at 44.5k. So tentatively, I would say they are still slightly bullish as long as they are above 43k. Okay, as they already break up above the uptrend channel resistance. Okay, which is above 43k lah. Okay, if they can stay above, I would say they still got the chance to go up higher, even though personally already think that they already a little bit topish lah. Okay, but yeah, let's see whether they can stay and hold above 43k or not. And for the S&P as well, they got some rejection or small profit taking activities. So tenor on 5,008. Okay, stay above is still alright. Okay, tapi if they close below, then not so good. Okay, this is a weekly point of view lah. Okay, for Nasdaq is slightly weaker. Okay, if compared to Dow Jones and the S&P lah. Okay, as the bear make a stronger comeback. Okay, the bear make a stronger comeback. So tenor on 21. I think this one is a 20.3k lah. Okay, 20.3k. If they break below, then maybe market not so strong. Okay, in my opinion, I think for the election hype, okay, this is happened on 6th of November. Tentatively, I think the market already priced in or already react, okay, to the certainty, and now they are pricing in on the uncertainty. Okay, this is what I think lah. Okay, they might started to price in on what might happen next year. Okay, so USI, I think they are pricing in on the uncertainty, so maybe we may expect some pullback or some correction lah. Okay, and how about the oil price? Okay, oil price are not really performing. Okay, they already break below $68. Okay, this is WTI. Unless this week they have made a strong comeback above $68. Okay, otherwise we are seeing possible around $62. And for the gold price also retracing. Okay, now they back to the 20 weeks moving averages, which is somewhere around 2560 lah. Okay, if they break below, then we may see more downside. But for me, I prefer they can go above 2006. Only consider safer lah. Okay, otherwise, daily point of view, I would say they are turning weak in the shorter term. Okay, so how about the Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin, they're making a strong comeback. Okay, after they consolidate for about 6 months. March. Okay, March until November. So it's about 8 months like that lah. Okay, a couple of months lah. Okay, after consolidate for so many months, finally they have a breakout. So that's why they come back so strong. Okay, so I guess they do have potential to hit the 100k lah. Okay, which everyone expected lah. Okay, so as long as they are above 80k, I would say Bitcoin is still very, very bullish. Okay, but on the other hand, Ethereum not that strong. Okay, previous week they have a good breakout above 2009 and 3000. Okay, and last week they have a kind of rejection at 3004. So expecting they might come back to retest 3000, 2009, or 2008. Okay, expect they might come back to test a support. Okay, which is okay. This could be an opportunity to take note lah. Okay, and how about our FBMK LCI? Okay, weekly point of view, actually the performance not that great. Okay, we are unable to clear. Okay, stay above 1625, unable to break above 1640. And last week, okay, our KLCI have a strong rejection down. Okay, now they are back to the important level 1588. Okay, if they can stay, maybe KLCI still got a little bit hope. Okay, back to the daily point of view. Okay, at least okay. Today they try to close above 1006, try to close above the 200 MAs lah. So we see whether tomorrow they want to stay above or not. Okay, stay above 1600. I think they do have chance to pull up to maybe 1611, 1618 or 1625. Okay, fail to stay above 1600, they might come back to test a 1588 or even break below. So in general, I think market is not that strong lah. Okay, okay only. Okay, but today overall Bursa market sentiment, I guess is still not too bad. Okay, but for the indices or the bigger market, I think yeah a little bit weak lah. Okay, let's go for our stocks Q&A. So yeah, please help us to click a like and also share this live session. Okay, so we can get more viewers to tune in, so this program can keep on going lah. Okay, AZRB. Okay, from Zhuo Sensen. Let's review. Okay, AZRB discounters. Yeah, today got volumes. Okay, tapi take note this counter is still below 200 MAs. Okay, which is below 240, 245. Okay, if we zoom out, we can see there was a support right around here. Okay, ever since they break down, they turn into resistance. Okay, so let's looks closer. Okay, so what we can see on 29 and 30 of October, they do have a sell down with some volume supported by 215. Okay, especially we can see a hammer appeared on 30 of October. Okay, ever since then, market is more on sideways lah, not much volumes. Okay, today they do have volume pump out. Okay, but okay, this is their resistance 240, 245, 250. Okay, which is 200 MAs. So yeah, you need to see. Okay, maybe I take away on the 245 lah. So you take note on your immediate resistance, which is a 240. Okay, and 250 is a 200 MAs. So they need to clear these two level, and it only got chance to go up higher, maybe to 270 or even higher. Tapi if they hit and get rejected or they struggle over here, this could be the resistance for them. Okay, so yeah, today got volumes lah. So I guess they do have chance to retest a 240 or 245. 250. Okay, but whether they can close above, we need a confirmation. Okay, take note lah. If tomorrow able to close above 250, then would be good for the AZRB. And how about the Carex? Okay, Carex doing fine lah. Okay, after struggle for so many months, you can see the whole year, like from February until now, actually Carex has been just trading within the box lah. Okay, they are trading within like 780 to 875. So last week finally they have a breakout above the resistance. Okay, so so far so good. Okay, volume wise also healthy. Okay, as at least we can see the Friday breakout is with volumes, and today another pump with volume as well. Okay, at least these counters is doing uptrending lah, above 200 MAs, above all moving averages. So I would say they are still in a good shape as long as they are above 875. And yeah, referring back to the previous resistance, okay, this is what happened back in 2020 lah. So 1 ringgit definitely is the psychology level lah. Okay, need to respect this level. After that, okay, here they do have a so-called double top here lah. So which is somewhere around 112. So take note, 1 ringgit, 112 will be your R1, R2. Okay, Of course, immediate also got one more. This one, I would say more minor lah. Okay, 925. Yeah, a bit minor lah. Okay, not so crucial, but most importantly is a 1 ringgit and 112 level. So at least finally they sideways for so many months they have a good breakout. So Carex is one of the stocks maybe you can KIV lah. Okay, if happen they have some retracement back in, okay, retest the support, then you can KIV lah. Okay, but if tomorrow they pull up further, then don't chase already lah. Okay, PPHP today got volumes. Okay, this counter is below 200 MAs, so we traded. Okay, we trade them as a rebound trade only. Okay, because they are below 200 MAs, which is their immediate resistance would be 860. Okay, volume point of view, not bad. Okay, today they have a good volumes. And before that is a 30th of October, they have a volume sideways for so many days. Finally, another volume pump out. Break above 780 MACD, boleh tahan. So these counters, as long as they are above 780, we may trade this as a potential rebound trade. Okay, today got a little bit rejection at the 50 MA lah, which is a 805 level. Okay, I would say, yeah, if they come back to retest 780 and stay above, it's still alright. Okay, then yeah, hopefully they can break above 805. Then you can take note on 860, which is your next resistance. Okay, but this is a downtrending counters, so we trade this as the rebound trade. Okay, how about the Crest do? Okay, these counters, at least we can see the trend is above 200 MAs. So big trend point of view, okay, longer term point of view, they are still in the uptrending lah. Okay, so recently they have some sell down. Okay, since when? 27th of September onwards, when they hit the 160, 163 level. Okay, also got volume started to sell down. Okay, then so far 200 MAs yet to break down. Okay, 115 is a level they hold. Okay, they supported very well. Okay, so yeah, at least we can see a high volume spotted at 200 MAs. So this is quite good for the market. Okay, so hopefully they can stay above minimum. Okay, hopefully they can stay above somewhere around 123 lah. That should be alright. And take note on your immediate resistance, which is somewhere around 135. Okay, if they can clear above 135, I think would be safer for them. Okay, MACD point of view is still okay lah. Okay, at least they crossed it over. Yeah, hopefully they don't makan down all the way to the whole. Yeah, makan down all the way below to 120 lah. If they makan below 120, then the whole thing not so nice already lah. So this one I think worth to monitor lah. Okay, worth to monitor as well. And Bobby Bank. Okay, Bobby Bank is still fine lah. Okay, the movement not much. So far you can see since last month, okay, 15th of October, okay, until now, they are just trading within a range. Okay, for longer term point of view or mid term point of view, they are still fine. Okay, short term point of view, I would say they are more into sideways. Okay, at least not in a downtrend lah. Okay, so you need to be more patient with them lah. So they need some time. Okay, go sideways. And TH Plantation, okay, this one ngam everything ngam. Okay, if not mistaken, on 11, okay, last Monday we do mention TH Plantation, they have a shooting star. Okay, next day also shooting star. Okay, Wednesday sell down. And I remember I do mention, okay, take note on 670. Okay, if they break, we may see maybe 650 or 625. Okay, lucky thing on Thursday, Friday. Okay, Friday they do get supported. Okay, even though volume not very high volume lah, but at least they try to stay above 670. Okay, they try to stay above 670. Okay, today they do pump out with volume. Okay, seems like they are still alright. Okay, so as long as TH Plantation stay above 670, I would say okay lah, boleh tahan lah. Okay, let me check on the how do you say CPO price. Yeah, actually not too bad lah. Let me see on the daily point of view. Yeah, still okay lah. Okay, for the CPO, maybe 10 on 4008 lah. Stay above 4008, I would say they are still pretty bullish lah. Okay, so next one is the Arsawick. Okay, sorry. Okay, Arsawick. Okay, so far at least this counter is still above 200 MAs, so I would say they are still alright. Volume since 23rd, they have quite decent volumes lah. Okay, so far, okay, as long as they are above 240, I guess they are still alright lah. Okay, still alright. And don't break lah. Okay, 235 lah. 235, don't break lah. Break then tak begitu cantik, tapi no break then they are still good lah. Okay, due to their characteristic is that once they pump, they need to sideways. Okay, so yeah, I see 235 because it is a 200 MAs. Okay, stay above, I would say they are still alright. Okay, so this is a penny stocks lah. Okay, how about the Hex industry? Okay, they break down 430. Okay, let me delete all. Okay, hold on. This one also tak begitu cantik. Okay, so volume 14, 15, and 18 are the volumes at here. So what we can do is we put a support around here lah. 425. This one can delete already. Okay, this one Hex. Yeah, good news is they are above 200 MAs. Okay, a bit bad news is they are below 20, 50, and 100 MA. Okay, so what we can see is 14, 15, 18 of November, they do have some volumes supported by 425. Okay, so since you bought at 455, okay, a little bit higher, but it's still okay. Okay, so 10 on 425, stay above. Okay, still got chance to go back to your entry price. Okay, because 455 now turn into resistance. Okay, I guess maybe you see due to support, maybe due to the 20 MA, so you bought it. And yeah, supposedly should be a cut because they already break below 455. But due to you hold until now, so your last hope you are putting at the 425 lah. As long as the closing price above 425, then they got chance to go back to your entry price. Okay, whether they can break or not, we still need to follow up lah. Okay, because I see these 3 days they have some volume supported, so why not give them a chance again? Okay, see whether they can bounce up from here. Okay, at least go back to your entry price first lah. Okay, whether they can break or not, maybe we review again lah. Okay, so far, yeah, I guess still fight above as long as above 425 lah. Okay, indicate S1, S2, R1, R2 for CTOS. Okay, CTOS. Let me see. Okay, CTOS, previous week, my view on them was not so good lah, because they are still below all moving averages ma. Okay, a comeback on Tuesday, okay, 12th of November. High volume pump out. Wednesday, another follow up. High volume pump out as well. And these 3 days, okay, Thursday, Friday, and today more to neutral. So in my opinion, at least, maybe history may repeat, just like here lah, hopefully lah. Okay, so for this case, maybe I will put the support. This one can delete lah. Okay, maybe I put a support at 125 level lah. Okay, and this one we can delete. Okay, so due to this counter is still below 200 MAs, so we need to use a 200 MA as the resistance, and we still need to trade this as a downtrending counters. So our strategy is more on the rebound trade lah. So we have a good bounce up recently. So maybe they might come back to retest 125. As long as they stay above, then they do have chance to retest a resistance. Okay, until they can break and close above 134, 135, then we review again lah. Okay, we only look for the next levels, okay, probably to 150 level already. Okay, so by the time we only see how it's going, so tentatively, I expect they might bounce up to 132, 134, 135 like that first. Okay, so how about the PPHB we covered? So we go for the puppy bank pula. PBA. Okay, PBA. Now they back to the one of the area, okay, interest area. Okay, so what happened today? Okay, PBA today open gap down, managed to close high lah. So it's still okay. So they are back to the support. Okay, for me, PBA chart is quite difficult to do analysis because they quite like to open gap down, shock, open gap up, and the movement is more like a little bit fake lah. Okay, but it's still alright. Okay, at least they are still above 200 MAs. So yeah, most importantly, maybe I put at the 208 lah, which is 200 MAs. As long as they are above 208, should be fine. And resistance to take note 235, 250. Okay, long term still alright. Okay, only short term they have more volatility only. Okay, for the PBA. Okay, HSI. Okay, forgot about this country. Okay, HSI. If we base on the weekly point of view, okay, last week they have a strong rejection. Okay, previous week, as you can see, they have a shooting star alike candle at the 200 weeks moving averages, and last week breakdown 20.2k, 20k, 19.750. Okay, this level I do mention many times cannot break. Okay, cannot break. Tapi they go to break already. So for me, it's a pull up to short. Okay, at the moment. Okay, unless they can close above, then different story. So daily point of view, we can see the performance also not that good. Okay, especially last Tuesday, 12th of November, they already have a breakdown. So we can see they already tested so many days, still unable to close above lah. Okay, and also they break below 50 MA. Short term point of view, they are weak. So any pull up maybe is an opportunity to short, unfortunately. And for this time, for them make a comeback, I prefer them to go back above 20.2k. Okay, if they can close above, then I might change my bias to slightly bullish. Okay, otherwise I would say this range is a range for us to maybe short the market. Okay, and they could go until, okay, if the bear continues, take note on 18.8k. Okay, and 18.2k also possible. Okay, 18250 also possible. Okay, so at the moment, with a bear bias lah. Okay, unless something, okay, something made a strong comeback. Okay, so how about 9988? So sorry, they are still so weak. Okay, 9988. Yeah, also the same. Monday is still alright. David Tuesday made a strong rejection, break below $92. Okay, now back to the $85, which is their immediate support. Okay, so far I yet to see them stabilize lah. So take note on 85 first. If this level unable to hold, they might go to $80. Okay, which is a 200 MAs. Okay, I hope that at least they can sideways around here lah. Okay, then only got chance to make a comeback. Okay, usually they won't like suddenly rebound up one, unless, okay, they got news. Okay, they only can make a immediate U-turn or V-shaped rebound. Okay, otherwise, if without any news, either they go sideways, then only come back, or they drop down further to $80, then only rebound up. Okay, so at the moment, still need to wait lah. Okay, short term a little bit weak also. 20 cross 50 already, so a little bit weak. Okay, so let's go for the after 9988, we go for the EcoVest. Okay, EcoVest. Okay, they had a strong comeback on 7th of November. Tapi the following days, actually, they're not really going anywhere lah. Okay, so so far they are still above 355. So I would say, so long they are above 355, they still got chance lah. Until they close below 355, then sorry lah, tak begitu cantik already. Okay, how about the PP Jack? Okay, PP Jack is still alright. Okay, so far they found a bottom at somewhere around 955. Okay, tapi this due to this counter is still below 200 MAs so yeah, be careful sikit lah due to they are still below 200 MAs. And yeah, as long as they are above 955, I would say they still have chance. But this counters has been sideways for 1 year plus already. Okay, 1 year plus already. Okay. Oh yeah, I missed out one. Gold Hub. Okay, Gold Hub. Yeah, new counters back in July 24. Okay, this year only lah. This year only. So far, based on recent performance, indeed they are still good. Okay, at least they go up with volumes. 8, 11, 12, 13 other volumes, and recently more on slowing down lah. Okay, as long as they are above 125, I guess still alright. Okay, and then on their immediate resistance, which is a 148 momentum point of view. Okay, momentum point of view based on this few weeks performance, I would say still alright lah. Okay, still alright. Okay, at least they have volume push the market up. So turn on your immediate resistance 148. Okay, how about the Genetech? Okay, Genetech they had a good volume power on 6th of November. A strong rejection on 7th of November. So could be someone do a pump and dump lah. Okay, so now back to the support lah. So turn on 80 cents. Okay, for Genetech. Stay above, maybe we will say they still ada some hope lah. Tapi if they close below 80 cents, then sorry lah, tak begitu cantik already. Okay, so hopefully they can stay above 80 cents for Genetech. Okay, which is also the 20 MA. Okay, how about the YBS? YBS, personally think they are not so strong because they just break below 680 back in Thursday. Okay, so for me, it's a no lah. Okay, because this counter is below 200 MAs and recently break below 680. So for me, it's a not so nice trend. Okay, how about the capital A? Yeah, capital A still fine. Okay, a strong comeback on 12th of November, then they come back down on 14th of November. The good news is they get supported by the 20 MA. Okay, just recently, just a bit, okay, struggle at the 200 MAs only, at the resistance 1 ringgit only lah. But so far, I guess they are still okay lah. Okay, so I also need a safety line lah, maybe 965. Okay, above 965, the short-term momentum should be still alright for the capital A. Okay, Genting Malaysia. They have a good volume power on 12th of November. Okay, tapi they faces some resistance at 575, 580. Okay, so far these few days more on neutral, but for me is one of the tough resistance for them. Okay, due to recent previously was a resistance as well. Okay, so if they can clear above 580, then would be good for them. Then you can see under 6 ringgit lah. But if they keep tested still unable to close above 580, this could be your immediate resistance lah. Okay, about P Metal. Okay, P Metal rebounding. Okay, previous week they do break below 450 lah. Okay, even Friday also not so nice. Okay, but today made a comeback, open gap up above 450. So 10 lah. So long they are above 450. This could be a potential bottoming lah. Tested so many times already. So hopefully they can stay above 450 lah. And yeah, your immediate resistance 480, then 505, 515. So I expect yeah, they could. Okay, if they can break above 480, then they could retest a 200 MAs. Okay, due to this counter is still below 200 MA, so I trade this as a rebound trade first. Okay, P metal, fin. A bit weak, short term a little bit weak. Okay, previously they have a bounce up, tapi the price currently is below 2050 100 MAs. Okay, macam tak berapa strong. Okay, depends on your intention. If you are holding for long term, yeah, of course they are still in the uptrend. Okay, just a short term profit taking activities or short term retracement like that only. Okay, but if you are short term, then you take note on the 280 level. Okay, as long as they are above 280, maybe it's still alright. But if they go below, then they could go to 27 something or 26 something. Okay, so EP for UWC. So you want to look for the support lah, for UWC. Not yet. Okay, due to you miss out the rally already. Okay, previously they have formed a so-called double bottom, a breakout, pull up, 200 MAs. Okay, at the moment, UWC is at the resistance. So I don't recommend to buy at the resistance. Okay, if we look back, okay, what happened back in February, what happened back in June. Okay, if you notice on the orange line, every time they tested, they might come back down. Oh, this time more jialat. Okay, now the price already approaching. Okay, maybe they might come back lah. They'll be already approaching. So if we entered now, we might risk ourselves. Okay, maybe after we bought, the price will come down. Okay, so I don't want you to take the risk lah. So for this case, I will stay monitor first. Okay, so got two scenario lah. Either the price break above and stay above 280, then we only consider to get in. Okay, even bought at the higher price, but at least you got the insurance lah. More confirmation. Okay, otherwise maybe they might come back to 250 or maybe 24 something. Okay, so another strategy is wait for them to stabilize. So if happen they can stabilize, stay above 250, then we only consider. Okay, so at the moment, no very good entry yet. Okay, for this one. Yeah, about the correct this tofu. Tak boleh this one. 6th of November also pump out. Then these few days, back to square lah, back in square. Okay, but at the moment, what we can see on tofu, they back to their, I would say, is one of the strong support lah. Okay, so today closing price is around 170. Okay, so if we look back, what happened back in 2023, support here, even 2024, also support here. So now they are back to support. Okay, somewhere around 170, 165. Okay, but yeah, bear in mind lah, this counter is downtrending. Okay, so if they break below 165, okay, where's their next level? 150 lah. Okay, so if below 165, no need to see already lah. Next level, they could go to 150. So these counters, I think they are still try to do a bottoming, so may need some times lah. Okay, maybe they will sideways here for a longer period. Okay, so yeah, but it's still a good levels to KIV. Just technical point of view, I don't see any opportunity yet. Okay, just they are at the interest area lah. So maybe you can take note. Okay, Renhill, they have a good breakout on 14th of November, which they break above 137. Okay, on Friday is more neutral. Today also neutral, not much volume. So at least the breakout is still successful. Okay, so since they break above 137, I give them more buffer. Okay, I put until 135. As long as the closing price is above 135, I would say they are still alright. Okay, let me write down this one. Also can see. Okay, recently they bounced from 200 MAs, break above 137. So I tune my support down to 135. Okay, as long as they are above 135, momentum okay. the breakout considered valid lah. And their next resistance is somewhere around 149150. Okay, for the Ren Hill. Okay. Okay, next one is a Tenaga. Tenaga is still in a sideway. As you can see since end of August until now, they are just trading within 14 ringgit to 1480. Okay, so depending you are a long-term, short-term, mid-term holder lah. Long-term holder, no problem at all. And mid-term holder, yeah, sideway low, okay. If you are short-term, you are looking for immediate resistance, 1480. And 1400 is your trading stop. Okay, so how about next one, Bar West. Okay, Bar West today make a comeback. Okay, at least what we can see on Bar West on Thursday they have a strong rejection. Friday a hammer alike candle, try to recover above 845. Today another pump out lah. So they are still in a continuous uptrending lah. Okay, you can see they are still doing uptrending. So for this case, you're looking for R1, R2, R3. So means you are looking for they are already at the all-time high. Let me see whether, yep, they are already at the all-time high. Okay, no more resistance okay. But no matter how, we also need to respect 1 ringgit lah. Okay, because 1 ringgit is the how to say 1 ringgit is a psychology level. Okay, so how about, sorry. Okay, how about this one? After 1 ringgit, okay, put here after 1 ringgit is a 109. 148 a bit far. I feel 148 at the moment not so realistic lah. Okay, so if we based on a bigger trend, okay, usually I like to use here as a projection only this one. Okay, so sorry, yeah. Okay, so 1 ringgit, 109, ultimately, okay, 133. Okay, but along the way, you need to do a trading stop already. Okay, for this case, at the moment, 845 is your trading stop. And if happen the next few days, if they are able to break above 1 ringgit, you can use a 990 as your trading stop. Means so long the price above 990, you still can hold on. Then you can see 109 lah. If they can break above 109, you pull your to maybe 108 like that. Okay, also can lah. So if they go out suddenly got 1 U-turn, you take off profit cabut lah. Also can lah. Okay, or if you want to use a 20 MA as your guideline, also can. Okay, so yeah, because the target just a target. Okay, we no guarantee they might achieve right? So yeah, throughout the journey, then you see any strong rejection or a sudden U-turn, maybe you can consider to protect your profit so at least you maximize, okay, max out your profit. Okay, how about the CEB? Okay, CEB, volatile day on 14th of November, then Friday neutral, today also neutral. Okay, so far they are at the resistance 395. Okay, for me, in my opinion, I would say fight above lah. Okay, if speaking about the fight, okay, as long as they are above 350, I would say still at a chance. But I need them to break above 395 or I need them to break above 40 cents. Okay, once they can clear 40 cents, they have more upside, maybe 450 or 50 cents level also possible. Okay, but these counters, due to they are below 200 MAs, so we trade them as just a oversold rebound trade only lah. Okay, this is a CEB. So for those who interested, you can see. Okay, next one is a P metal we covered already, so we go for D-Sonic. Macam rebound sudah habis the strong rebound sudah habis. Okay, they have a rebound lah back in 6th of November, 7th of November, tapi unable to go through 420. Now they kena rejected back below 200 MAs. So for me, D-Sonic is more on sideways now. Okay, but this counter is below all moving averages, so I would say is bear is still in control. Okay, how about Emulus? Hey, Julie, ada some volume come in. Okay, same. Also, 6th of November, they have a strong volume pump in. Then they gonna wash down back lah. Okay, so last Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is still neutral, nothing much. But today, if you notice, the volume not too bad. Okay, the volume not too bad. Even though the candle not really moved that much. So I guess they are okay. They have a little bit bottoming signal lah at the moment. Okay, MACD is still fine. Okay, just that they yet to show a strong bullish price action yet. Okay, but at least from here we can see actually they here volume pun ada. Okay, so for this case since today closing price is 255 so take note on 240 is your last defense lah. So we are expecting they might sideways over here. So long they don't break below 240, this is a potential bottoming. Okay, but when they want to come back, we don't know yet. Okay, but at least we can see don't break below 240 low. Once break, then no game lah, cut loss cabut lah. Okay, so I think can KFV lah. But for D-Sonic, give them some time first lah. Okay, Teo Seng. Teo Seng profit taking on Friday. You see it's a bearish candle, high volume. So for me, looks like not that strong already lah. Looks like not that strong already. So for short term, maybe will faces some profit taking activities. So maybe I put around 235 lah. Okay, 235. Okay, if happen they close below 235, I think they might come back down to 220 or even lower, 2 ringgit. Okay, at the moment based on the price action, I guess is a warning already lah. Even though you see here got volume pump up, no strength, wash down. And second pump also no strength, gonna wash down. So I think the chances of breaking down below 235 is there. Okay, is there. Okay, just yet to happen lah. Okay, but at least you prepared already. Okay, SSB. Sideways, neutral. Okay, at least these counters is still above 200 MAs. So yeah, back in March, they have a good pump. Then sideways, wash down, sideways. Okay, so I would say this range is more on the retracement or the correction due to they up so much already. They need to have some rest. Okay, so as long as they are above the 200 MAs, the chances is still there lah. So 200 MA is somewhere around 475. Okay, and your immediate support is 520. Okay, this is a SSB. So volume point of view, yeah, recently they have some volumes 6, 7, 8, 13. Yeah, I think okay lah. I think okay. Short term point of view, we see 520 lah. SSB. Okay, I also put in my watch list lah. HS Plantation. Okay, rejection 13. Okay, since they stabilize here already, take note on 206 which is your immediate support. Yeah, as long as they don't break below 2 ringgit, should be alright. KBJ is still okay lah. Okay, even though they have a shooting star like candle on 13th of November, but this didn't stop them for going up. Okay, so far they are still above 220. So long they are above 220, should be alright for KBJ. Yeah, well, Mr. Tak cantik Mr. DIY. Okay, Mr. DIY already broken down below 208. Already broken down below 2 ringgit. Okay, Friday high volume. Okay, now they are like try to support the 200 MAs lah. So if we zoom in, what we can see on Friday and today candle. Okay, Friday is a strong sell. Today is more on the dodgy like candle. Okay, it's a T shape. Okay, or we can say market take a pause. Okay, the selling pressure temporarily take a pause. Okay, at least someone try to support the price lah. So based on today low, okay, we can put a last defense for them lah. 177. Okay, meaning if they can stay above 177, they still got hope to bounce up maybe to 190 or 2 ringgit. But if they close below 177, means the bull, whoever bought today, they already given up to support the price, okay? And they could go down to 160 or even lower, okay? For me, monitor few more days. We see whether they want to get supported here or not. Okay, how about the Care Plus? Care Plus not really care you. They are still not doing anything. Okay, 245 lah. Above 245 maybe okay, tapi they are still not really doing anything yet lah. So volume boleh tahan, tapi every time bounce up kena rejected. Okay, every time they try to go up 3 ringgit, not 3 ringgit, 30 cents, tapi kena rejected down. So I guess this one need more times. They also need the big four to bring them up lah. Okay, D-Sonic cover and Miller's covered. Notion. Sorry. Okay, Notion is still alright lah. Okay, at least we can see on Thursday they have volume, Friday okay, today neutral. Okay, the only struggle for them is to break above 120 lah. Seems like they got rejected twice already. Okay, Thursday, Friday, they attempt to break, tapi not really boleh jalan. Okay, tapi overall structure, I would say I am still slightly bullish on them. Okay, due to the volumes and also they are recovering above the 200 MAs. So this one worth to monitor lah still. Okay, just that they are now at the resistance. TM, Telecom, I think I press it. Let me find Malaysia. TM a little bit weak because they break below 650 already. Okay, tentatively, they are at the 200 MAs, which is somewhere around 630. Okay, for me, short term, they are turning weak. Okay, the rally is over and they need to have some correction down. So tentatively, they are at the at the immediate support, which is a 630. And yeah, my ideal level is somewhere around 6 ringgit to 590. Okay, based on the previous pattern, if you see. Okay, after they rally up, they will retrace down a lot. Then they go sideways. Okay, what happened now? Okay, they already went up so much, right? So they might retrace down and go sideways. Okay, so ideally it's somewhere around 590 6 ringgit lah. Tapi along the way you can take note on 630, 620 first. Okay, we see any support or any chances over there. LYSAGT. Okay, nothing to comment this one because it's too in liquid. Technical unable to read. Okay, but if you already in, you use today's low as your last defense, so 320. Okay, stay above 320, then okay lah. But for me, technical, memang cannot see anything lah. Okay, no volumes. I mean, very in liquid. Okay, JPG is still alright. Okay, even though they have a rejection on 13th of November, but they didn't break below 125. Okay, these few days more on neutral. I think they might go sideways dulu lah. As long as they are above 125, then okay lah. You can KIV lah. Okay, how about the Dayang? Dayang is below 200 MA. So for me, it's weak. Okay, for me it's weak. Okay, because recently they already broken down below 200 MAs. Even they try to make a comeback, they also got rejected, kena press down. So you can see throughout multiple times of attempt, they also unable to clear 230, unable to clear 242. So for me, the bear is still in control. Okay, so their last defense is 208 lah. If they break down, memang no good lah. Okay, this is a Dayang. How about the Nvidia and NVDA? Oh, sorry, not Malaysia. Okay, NVDA is still okay lah. Okay, they just came back to fill the gap, but I heard a lot of media looks like they released a lot of bad news about it lah. So looks like the pre-opening is breaking down below 139. So for me, take note on 139.9 is your immediate support. But if tomorrow the closing is below 139, then I guess they might come back down to 128 level lah. Okay, now the pre-opening is a gap down. So for me, is maybe not so good yet. Okay, so I guess they might retrace down to 131 or 128 levels. Okay, so whether, we see whether they can close above or not. Okay, VTC. New counters. Okay, VTC so far they have volume on Thursday. These 2 days more on neutral, low volumes. Okay, take note on 440. Okay, above 440 is still okay. Okay, above 440, VTC is still okay. Arsawi we covered already. Okay, Corsan okay. Whoa. Okay, Corsan, tapi they have a little bit rejection okay, at 238. So this one, they might come back down to retest a 225 or 220 level. But so far, the structure momentum, I guess, not too bad. Okay, not too bad. How about the Yuli? Wow, this one, drama. Come back already. Okay, for me, I would not recommend to do anything about on these counters due to the, you see the pattern very manipulative lah. Okay, they can push up, then wash down, then they go up again. What if they just push up to escape because this happened already, they could happen again and again and again. Okay, even though technically I would say they're back to the 200 MAs, technically they are good already, but they already done this before, they could done it again and again and again. So there are risks lah. Okay, but if you still very interested with them, then you take note on your support 405380. Okay, but I would say if this happen again, you will have no chance to sell. Okay, you will see the buy Q sell Q macam NT punya. So you don't know when to throw what price so very dangerous lah for me. Okay, even though you see your cut loss is below 380 but this happen when this happen maybe your cut loss is maybe 30 cents already or 280 already. So if you die want to try then reduce your sizing lah. Okay, this could happen LW Sabah, let me see. Memang ada no wonder lah, so new. Okay, first day pump, second day sell, these 2 days more on neutral. Okay, let's see on the 50-minute charts due to the only few days only Monday. Okay, today got some volume pump in tapi this one quite difficult to analyze due to the I only have few candles to analyze only so maybe I use a 840 lah. This one above 840 maybe still okay, tapi usually I prefer wait them to stabilize lah. Okay, this one but if you still interested, then you take note on 840 lah. Stay above is still okay. SciPark. SciPark today made a good comeback a high volume and a good closing. Okay, close above or close at 90 cents. Okay, some more they break above 870. So far so good. Okay, this one you can use a 870 as your immediate support lah. Okay, so this one, yeah, still okay for SIPAC. Graded nothing lah. Okay, you can see they rebound, unable to go through 200 MAs, sell down already. So they could go to 190. Okay, that's the reason why I would say, okay, we try avoid to enter near 200 MAs, okay, or near the resistance. Okay, this could happen now. So at the moment, they already close below all moving averages. The bear is in control. Then I think better wait. Okay, better wait. Okay, Notion we covered. This one also not nice. Even though they attempt to break up 200 MAs, tapi fail already. So bear in control. This one skip lah. Okay. Wait until something lah, or some signal. Okay, Sendai. Yeah, even though the candle looks nice, tapi the volume okay only. So this one, yeah, they attempt to bounce up from 50 cents. So for Sendai, maybe you can say, okay, trend point of view, this counter is above 200 MAs. I would say they are still in uptrending. Okay, just recent performance, you can see the high is getting lower, right? Tapi the low not really getting lower as well. So they are forming a so-called triangle pattern. So I would say they are more into consolidation zone. Okay, not really have a big movement yet. Okay, you can see they have multiple attempts to make a comeback. Okay, multiple attempts, tapi yeah, by end of the day kena press down. So this pattern I would say more on sideways or consolidation. Okay, tapi the big trend point of view, at least they are still in the uptrending. Okay, so just short term, they might have more volatility, up, down, like that only. Okay, and the trend yet to, the trend yet to started lah. So, yeah, bull and bear is still fighting. Okay, but at the moment, we will see, let me see, yeah, even the MACD also go sideways only. So, I would say this Sendai is more on sideways, and they yet to define, okay, the big trend, up or down, yet to appear lah. Beta. Okay, beta today open gap up, push up to 475 by end of day, kena rejected. Okay, looks like not that strong candle. Okay, expecting they might come back to test a 425 or 415 level. Okay, the only good news is this counter is above 200 MAs lah. So they may come back down to test support or fill the gap, go sideways like that. Okay, Unicrop. Unicrop sideways. Okay, so if you look back what happened last year. Okay, let me close all the line, hide all drawings. Okay, what happened last year? They have a good trend. Wash down, sideways, test 200 MAs. Another trend this year. Okay, hit resistance, sell down, sideways. Okay, so this is like macam similar with what happened last year lah. So I would say at the moment they are still in a sideways zone. Okay, for this Unicrop. Okay, most importantly is a 200 MAs level lah, cannot break down. So yeah, let me delete some lines. Okay, so for this sideways, yeah, it may go wrong as well lah. They may not exactly repeat exactly the same. Okay, so we also need to have some how to say exit plan lah. Okay, what if they go wrong? Okay, so at the moment what we can see, the support is somewhere around 169, 173. As long as they stay above, yeah, we expect they might go sideways and they do have chance to make a comeback. Okay, tapi if they close below 169, then means the pattern already failed lah. They may come back down to 150 or even lower. Okay, hold on. Let me see the market a bit. Okay, yet to open. Okay, so PPHB we covered already. VTROX. Tak boleh masih. VTROX is still below 200 MAs. Okay, today with a rejection, I expect they might come back to 3-2 something lah. Kobe bottom okay, Kobe the trend is very weak. Okay, if speaking about the bottom, yeah, they are at one of the bottom. Okay, they do have a pump up on 6th of November lah. We can say it's a Donald Trump day lah. Then the next day gonna sell down already. Okay, volume is same. Then wash down. At the moment, they are at one of the bottom level, which is somewhere around 125. Okay, today closing is 128 lah. But if speaking about the most extreme level, not yet lah. Which is somewhere around, maybe I put 102 lah. Okay, this is a most extreme bottom back in February, which is a 102. So from now 128 until 102 still got about 20% of bottom. Okay, so if we draw the should be 20% lah. I use this one. Yeah, price range. Sorry. Okay, from recent price until now is about still got room lah to drop lah until 20%. Okay, until here maybe we can say this is a good bottom lah. Okay, so at the moment it's a minor support lah, 125 like that. If they break down, they could go as low as 102. So if you are fundamental people, you are looking for if you are looking for level to slowly enter, then you can split your entry lah, maybe 125 Siki. Then if they drop further, maybe 102, you'll try. Okay. This week busy, we'll watch back later. Thank you, Patrick. Okay, can you know which MA you using? Okay, I use a standard textbook MAs. Okay, I only use 20 MA, 50 MA, 100 MA, and 200 MA. Okay, all are SMA. Okay, simple moving averages. Okay, I try to make my chart simple, okay, and stupid lah. Okay, simple and stupid. I don't want to have a fancy parameter. Okay, at least you use which chart they also have 20, 50, 100, 200 lah. Okay, in my opinion Bursa market, I mean our KLSE market 200 MA 200 MA works quite well. Okay, if below 200 MA is quite confirmed they are going downtrend already. Okay, I use a 200 MAs to define whether they are in an uptrend or downtrend, only to plan our strategy. Okay, then 50 MA and 20 MA is still okay. Okay, most of the counters they like to rebound from 20 or 50 MA, but 100 MA unlikely, quite not really useful lah. Okay, based on what I noticed. Corsan we covered. Okay, Carex we covered already. PNB Tech, I think today got volumes, right? Yeah, from the bottom. Okay, at least yeah, previous week they was still very ugly until today. They have a volume pump up. So we can put some support here 175. Okay, at the moment we just trade this counter as a rebound only. Okay, due to they are still below 200 MAs. Okay, so today got volume, right? They break above 175, break above 20 MA. So if happen, they can come back to test a 175. Maybe you can see lah. Tapi if they go back below 168 and below, no game. Rebound sudah fail. Okay, rebound sudah fail. Corsan cover Heng Yuan, any hope Heng Yuan, yeah, sounds like your hope is very far. Okay, it's very yuan. Okay, so this Heng Yuan, they already broken down below all moving averages, as I mentioned before. Okay, 200 MAs. Okay, the orange line quite soon. If in Bursa you can see you can see what happened from last year until now. So far, they never go back above 200 MAs. Okay, even yes, only last for 1 or 2 trading days, then they go back down below. So I use a 200 MAs to define whether this counter is uptrend or downtrend. So at least we can see, this already in a downtrend. Okay, you can see here, once they break above 200 MAs, they ada jalan lah. Tapi, yeah, by end of the day, okay, at least they can last for a few months lah. Okay, before they go back down below 200 MAs. Okay, so here, this few years, we can say this Hen Yuan is still very yuan. Okay, yeah, even though today got volumes, but the closing not so exciting. Okay, so yeah, maybe we see 230 low, whether they can close above or not. Okay, close above, maybe we'll have some chance to retest a 200 MAs. Okay, and all these I mean the O and G counters related lah. Actually, they are quite depending on the oil price lah. Okay, so if the oil price overnight they have a big spike up, okay, maybe due to the war or something, and then maybe will benefited a little bit. But if because due to the war, I think the market also fearful, then maybe also susah to jalan. Okay, so if the oil price go up, maybe due to they cut the supply, something like that, maybe good for them lah. Okay. So Hata is still okay lah. Hata take note on the resistance 360. Okay, still okay. What is TOP? Tops. Let me see whether we have these counters. Malaysia. I think it's a Top Glove lah, right? Yeah, full name Not really jalan that much, but the overall structure so far I noticed the big four, the structure is okay. Just maybe they need more good news to push them lah. Otherwise they will diam macam ini. Tapi you can see they also, at least they are not in the downtrending already. Okay, but this is how the glove counters jalan. Okay, they only shine back in, they only really jalan back in the COVID lockdown time. Okay, Armada, okay. They do have a pump out on Friday, and today they face a resistance. Okay, as I mentioned, the orange line, 200 MAs, 545 is a resistance. Okay, once they can clear, you only can see 570 lah. If they are unable to clear, this is your resistance already. Okay, I crop. So far so good lah. Okay, they have a good push out on 12th of November. Tapi they are unable to go through the 406. Okay, then they come back down, retest 390, supported. Yeah, the only thing is lack of volume only lah. But so far I would say, based on the structure, at least they are above 200 MAs. Still not too bad. Okay, still not too bad. Okay, PGF. What is PGF? Okay, still okay lah, this one. Still in the uptrending. So, yeah, how about the... but you tend on the 233 is your immediate resistance. FP group. This one no good lah. Okay, still in a bad shape. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, every tech stocks they also attempt to tipu people on the Donald Trump day 6th of November. Now you can see they're back to square already. So at the moment, this one I see nothing yet. Okay, yeah, wait for some signal lah. Okay, wait for the signal come back. Tell us to do something. KHL cap. This one macam tak berapa strong If we let me delete all the lines If we look at the bigger trend, these counters macam in the downtrending Okay, today break below 200 MAs I would say they macam tak berapa performing Okay, I would say you can see since when January until now they are just sideways. Okay, maybe they might come back down to 38 something lah. Okay, not so strong this one. Okay, their support was 387 like that. Okay, CTOS we covered. Petronas Chemical. Hey, this one, why so many people like? They are still not really good yet lah. Okay. Yeah, 460 they also break down already. Okay, this one I yet to see anything. Okay, I think we follow up since or maybe 6 ringgit level or 560. Okay, they are still dropping. And so far I still yet to see any reversal signal. Okay, even though 460 or we can say 455 at the moment is a support, but not really strong level. Okay, if you entered now, okay, you need to expect maybe the price might drop down to 4 ringgit or 350. So maybe you need to prepare the fund to enter partially, maybe 455 4 ringgit or 350. If you have limited fund, then we better wait for a better rebound signal. Okay, at the moment I see nothing yet lah. Okay, if you only have one bullet to shoot, then wait. Okay, if you have many bullet to shoot, then you can try along the way lah. Tapi we don't know cheap can be cheaper or yeah. Okay. Unless you very understand their fundamental, you think okay, buy on fearful, then yeah, you can start lah. Nestle downtrend don't boycott already lah. Okay. Okay, Nestle, yeah, previously was a very good counters, all the way uptrend. But you can see, since 2018, they already been in the sideway. And now, macam they are turning down into downtrending. Okay, so my ideal level is somewhere around, technical, okay, honestly speaking, technical cannot read anything, because this Nestle, 99 ringgit confirm no trader inside one okay, all are pure investor. So investor don't read chart so very hard to find a support for you. Okay, ideally I think it's somewhere around $90 90 ringgit 87 to 90 ringgit. Okay, I see them still got room to drop based on current performance. Okay, so if you can wait, I think we still can wait lower. Okay, I don't mind you every day come and ask me. Okay, we review again. Or every week you ask me, then we review again. Okay, during our live session. At least at the moment I don't see any good timing yet. Okay. So maybe got chance to get at the cheaper or lower level lah. Okay, Basing is still in a sideway. So yep, above 200 MA. So we can say this is a uptrending counters still alright. Okay, just sideway lah. Nothing much. They not really move. PDD. Okay, don't have discounters. Okay, so next one is a JKG Land. Very penny discounters. Okay, you can see where they go. Okay, back in 2021, these counters pump out, hit 135, drop down. Okay, from 2021, sideway until now, 2024 already. Sideway for about 3 years. Then another pump out. They just come back to hit here only. Then they come back down. Okay, so if they break below 110, they could continue sideway for a couple of years lah. So yeah, this is what I can explain on the super penny counters lah. Okay, so yeah, cannot break below 110 lah, these counters. D7. D7 Gobler. Okay. Okay, if compared to the JKG Land, I think D7 looks better lah at the moment. Okay, at least they got a proper uptrend. Okay, so you take note on 485 lah. Above 485, still okay. Okay, below 485, then you can consider to do something lah. Shangri-La, right? Should be this one, Shang. Let me see. Shang is still below 200 MAs, so I would say they are still downtrending. Oh, these counters you can see longer term they never been good Okay, their best time their best moment was 10 years ago 2014. Okay, yeah, that's what was their peak. So based on the price only share price only you can see after 2014 these counters drop, even go up, also unable to go back to previous high, then continue sell down. Okay, so maybe I can say these counters is a long-term downtrending counters. They already downtrend for 10 years already. So back to the 2011 support. Okay, at the moment they are at the one of the support because recently they have a support here and then they bounce up to 250. Now they're back to a 195 level. Okay, 195 would be their immediate support. So maybe I give you a range 195, 185 is a support zone. But this counter is a downtrending. Shriran I thought covered already. Let me see. Oh, new counters very new 40 cents Okay, very unfair for me Only got few days. Only got few days candle to analyze. Okay, at the moment, yeah, I can say 395. Above 395, watchable. Below 395, no game. Data pred no more lah. Okay, should be no more. Yeah, no more. Okay, wait for some price action come back. JPEG we covered already. Okay, JPG. Not the photo JPEG. Okay, Carlsberg at resistance now. Okay, 2050. Okay, and trend point of view they are still okay. So if you are long-term holder or mid-term holder, I guess no problem. Okay, still okay. Okay, so yeah, the shape momentum okay lah. If you are short-term trader, yeah, here is your resistance maybe you need to protect some Focus dynamic is a focus. Penny stocks Okay, the only thing I can say is since September until now, no actually it's September they suddenly have volumes, but the November is diam. Penny trend, I haven't feel I haven't feel the penny trend. This one nothing can comment based on the chart. Okay, the only thing is above 0.02, maybe still okay. Just can say like that only lah. Okay, Jaya Tesla back to the 200 MAs. So support as long as they are above 115, still okay lah. Tapi if they break below 115, tak okay. Okay, overrun already. So yeah, let's be quick. Okay, how about the Hub Seng? Yeah, this one is a biscuit. Okay, Hub Seng these 2 days. Okay, Friday and today are the volume supported at 110. And most importantly, they are above 200 MAs, so consider as uptrending counters. Okay, so far so good as long as they are above 110 lah. Okay, if you buy their stocks, please remember buy more biscuit. Okay, so you can indirectly support their sales. Okay, Gamuda is still in the uptrending. Okay, so far they are still stay above 870. I would say short term they are still strong. Okay, they are still above they are still above the 20 MA, above 870. Okay, uptrend no problem at all, and short term is still okay. Mid term, yeah, of course, no problem lah. So far so good. Okay, trader also happy, investor also happy lah. Okay, so for me, I will put a safety line at 835. Okay, if break below, then we need to see what happened already. Maybe they will have some short-term retracement, something like that. Okay, stay above, I guess. Yeah, no problem for everyone at the moment. Okay, so yep, that's all for today lah. We overrun quite a bit. Okay, so and thank you everyone for your time. And if you yet to click a like, please click a like now. Okay, and also share this video lah. So little at least we can get more viewership. Okay, and also before that, thank you Sifu for having me here. If you yet to download Sifu apps, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and also they do have an interactive live chat. Okay, so if you need a live chat, you may subscribe to their services. And if you yet to join my Telegram, Okay, you may screenshot this QR code and then you click in lah. Okay, on and off I will update. Okay, give some market insight inside. Okay, so that's all for today, and thank you everyone, and see you on Wednesday 8:30. Thank you.